How to resize images in Canva. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. Open up your Canva. Now right here you can select any of the layout that you want to. Here I'll be selecting documents. Now in here in your left hand side you will see the option of upload. Tap on it. Select the media image that you want to upload in your Canva. Go ahead and select one. Now there are basically two ways to resize your image. Here firstly select the image. Now at the top you will see this edit photo option. Select the option of edit photo. In here you can select your filters and effect. Select the option of crop. You can smart crop it and select the aspect ratio and it will be automatically resized for you. Now if you want it more manually and controlled, you can just drag the circle in to make it smaller or drag the circle in the outward direction to enlarge it. Isn't it simple? Now you can place the image wherever you want to in a size that you prefer. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.